Hi guys, this is Tanya from ICD English, and today we're gonna have a cooking lesson. So I have two questions for you. The first question, what is your favorite cuisine? And the second question, do you always follow the recipe when you cook? So I'm gonna answer these questions first, and then you're gonna write your answers in the comments below, okay? So my favorite cuisine is Italian. I love Italian food. I love pasta, pizza, I love all of it. So look at this fancy word, cuisine. It sounds like French, right? Well, because it's derived from French. Cuisine means food, a style of cooking, especially as characteristic of a particular country. For example, there is Italian cuisine, Spanish cuisine, Mexican cuisine, etc. So pay attention to the pronunciation and the spelling of this word. Could be tricky. Cuisine. The stress falls on the second syllable, cuisine. And to answer my second question, I almost never follow the recipe when I cook. I can use it only as rough guides. So look at this word, guys, recipe. A lot of English learners confuse this word with this one, receipt. So recipe is a list of ingredients for making something, especially when you cook. So you can follow the recipe when you cook, right? And this word receipt, that's what it is. It's just a piece of paper. That's what you get at the store when you buy something, a proof of purchase, okay? So don't confuse those two words, recipe, receipt. That's your lesson for today, guys. Now it's your turn to answer these two questions. So what is your favorite cuisine? And do you always follow the recipe when you cook? Write your answer in the comments below.